Hello viewers, in this tutorial I talk about the page selector of vrep software. So here I drag and drop a robot and another robot I drag and drop. So I select this, okay. So I drag and drop it here, okay, and another this, okay. Then the page selector, this is the page selector, okay. Then I click on it. After click on it, here you see the page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4 and page 5 and also another page 6, and here is the page 7. In page 7 you see the 4 segment of this simulation window, and another is here is the you see 6 segment of simulation window. So you can select it as your wish. For that I select it. When I select it, I see this in different windows in different parts, okay. So after that I just simulate it. Here is running all, okay. You see that running all, okay. After I pause it and stop simulation. After that, in page selector again click, then I select it. Mainly this page selector window is dependent on your object. When you drag and drop more object, then it's create more page selector, okay, like that. And when you select a one object or two object, then it's like that, a few page selector, okay. So after that I show you another here, and I also drag and drop some object for examples, okay. Here another. Now you see the page selector is very possible way, okay. In this possible way the page selector is here. After that I start simulation, then you yes, okay. Okay, here is a problem. The ROS interface for vrep was not found. Okay, for that I just, so that's the page selector of this window. After that you can take here is the problem, because I select too much object for it, but not it running after all. So thank you everyone, see you in next tutorial.